Hello, welcome to my new vlog. Today I'm talking to you from Paris. As you can see, it's a different background. Yesterday I arrived. I have a really good friend here. She's more like a family to me, and I came here to do all the things I have to do for my work, for my clients, to do photo shootings in Paris, and to just relax and have a good time. Because I haven't been here around 2-3 years since there was COVID and 100 other things, so I wasn't able to come, and I'm so happy to be back here because I really have a special connection with Paris, and I love this city like my hometown. Okay, this is what it looks like to have a breakfast in Paris. This is French style. I mean, I love it. But it is a little bit tiny, if I can notice. There is always something that fell on the floor, but still I like it because it's kind of cute. And this is avocado toast with egg. This is some fruits, coffee, eggs and jam. I love it. I really love it. These are some of the outfits I'm gonna wear for today's shooting, and I don't know about you, but I have to show you something really special. Look at these boots. I've never seen something like this. These little pickles, this design, shiny. At the same time, it's like just too much, and I don't know, still I like it. Just let me know in the comment section, what do you think? Would you wear this one? I would wear it for sure. I cannot wait to wear it actually. The time flies. Anyway, yesterday we did amazing photos. Today we are going to do another photos and some TikToks, and I'm doing vlog. Okay, I noticed something, and this is it. She always goes on the red light. And you know what's more funny? When the car comes, she's mad because he doesn't stop, and they don't stop because they have a green light. But look, this is Paris fashion. This is a fashion trend 2021. No, but seriously, look at these buildings. You don't have that anywhere else in Europe. Today is a day for finishing final recordings and doing the content for my clients, but also today is a really special day because I'm going to finally get some shopping. I have to do PCR test before I go shopping and I have something on my mind. I cannot wait to share it with you. Fingers crossed, I will not tell you what I'm gonna buy, I'll just show you later. But first we have to finish the work. This is what a Parisian woman looks like. This is so amazing. Paris streets are amazing. Okay? How many more? Hello. He's speaking Croatian. But
Bonjour. And voila.
wow. Wow.
Crocodile.
Oh my god, this is real.
It's real, yeah.
Practice every day until you find renderica.
Renderica.
Kako se kaže na engleskom?
Endlerica.
Endlerica.